For years, I felt stuck in a never-ending cycle, working tirelessly for someone else, feeling like I was just another cog in the machine. I let my job define who I was, losing sight of my own identity and passions. I believed that the only way to gain freedom and true happiness was to escape the 9-to-5 grind. However, after working for an organization for so long and then experiencing self-employment, I discovered something crucial. I've come to realize that the problem wasn't my job, it was my mindset and how I approached my work and life. In this video, I want to share some hidden insights and practical tips that can help you break free and thrive, no matter where you work or what you do. Realize you're not dependent on anyone. You have the power within you to shape your own destiny and make your own choices. When I was part of an organization, I had a moment where my boss insisted I send an emotionally charged email he had drafted. It felt like I had no choice but to comply. I felt immense pressure and stress, believing that my job and future depended on complying. The weight of that decision was overwhelming. Looking back, I see that the issue was my own mindset. I had allowed myself to believe that I was powerless. I had convinced myself that I was trapped with no options, clinging to the security of a paycheck at the expense of my values. It was a self-imposed prison. Now I understand that you should never feel dependent on any one person or situation. There are always other paths and opportunities. Embrace the freedom to explore and create your own journey. Find your flow state. The concept of flow, described in the book Flow, is about finding a balance where your skills match your challenges. When your challenges outweigh your skills, you feel depressed and frustrated. When your skills outweigh your challenges, you feel lethargic and complacent. The key to thriving is to find that sweet spot where your skills and challenges are in harmony. This often means stepping out of your comfort zone and seeking new challenges to grow. Fill your free time with life. I used to let work dictate my life, leaving my evenings and weekends open, only to have them filled with more work. Now I plan my personal activities first and let work fill in the gaps. This shift has brought more balance and joy into my life. By pre-committing to personal activities, you make work a part of your life rather than the focal point. Diversify your identity. Don't tie your entire identity to your job. Just as companies like Google and Apple have broad visions beyond their initial products, you can explore various interests and passions. You can be a mix of different things, a painter and a data analyst, a yoga enthusiast and a gamer. Broadening your identity beyond your job title prevents you from feeling trapped and allows you to explore other fulfilling activities. Set boundaries and prioritize yourself. This is a fundamental step towards achieving a balanced and fulfilling life. It's essential to set boundaries and not let others dictate your life. By doing so, you protect your mental and emotional well-being. Early in my career, I struggled with this, often taking on tasks that didn't benefit me just to please others. I found myself overwhelmed and stressed, losing sight of my own goals. However, setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining control over your life and decisions. It empowers you to say no when necessary and focus on what truly matters. For instance, I once turned down a lucrative sponsorship because it required me to say things I didn't believe in, reminding me of my previous job's constraints. This decision reinforced my commitment to my values. Setting boundaries and prioritizing yourself helps you avoid building a cage around your life, ensuring you maintain control and freedom. It allows you to live authentically and pursue your true passions. By changing your mindset, setting boundaries, diversifying your identity, and planning your life around your passions, you can thrive in any work environment. If you enjoyed this video, check out my newsletter for more insights and life lessons. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on millionaire habits and life-changing tips. Thank you for watching.